For this project, you're going to need 2 paper cups. I think these are 12 ounce. Scissors, marker, pencil, and if your kid is especially artistic, more markers.
Yeah.
Okay.
What?
I'm drawing the cutout for the face. Next thing, these are things that the parents take care of for the kids. Just poke a hole in the middle. Let's try this again. Let's try this again.
Bob does not know how to do
You might
that.
need a pen.
Oh, that's mine. Don't use.
Okay.
Please make this work, because if it doesn't, I'm going to be super angry. I'm kidding.
So you're gonna color in the hair.
Oh, can I color it whatever I want?
Yep. Look, why don't we draw her face? Are you gonna color her skin or no?
Of course. Her skin could be this color, right?
Her skin could be whatever color. It could be light green. It could be light purple.
Light green?
It could be a cartoon character.
Could be an alien.
No, that's silly.
All right.
Let this happen.
So now you need to draw some faces for her. Did you want to draw with pencil first and then marker? Nope. You're just gonna draw with marker.
Make it like a surprise face.
Okay. Now we turn it. And another face.
Okay. I'm thinking.
Like a mouth with the tongue sticking out. Okay. And then we turn it. 2 and 3.
Okay.
A happy face. Oh, that's a happy face. Okay, are you all done?
Yeah, I'm all done.
All right, you want to show Daddy?
And make it super cool.